Class, class, look carefully at these pictures. This is a photo of my daughter and I at the beach. This is a photo of me graduating high school. This is a photo of me when I was a baby. This is a photo of me riding a bicycle. This is a photo of my husband, daughter, and I on vacation. And this is a photo of me opening presents when I was a baby on Christmas. Each of these photos are from a different time in my life. When you put them together, they tell a story. I am going to arrange these photos in chronological order along this line. Chronological order means the sequential order in which past events occurred. First, the baby photo of me was taken in 1988. Next, the picture of me opening Christmas presents was taken in 1989. Next, the photo of me riding a bicycle was taken in 1998. The photo of me graduating high school was taken in 2006. Next, the photo of my daughter and I at the beach was taken in 2014. Finally, the picture of my family and I on vacation was taken in 2017. What you are looking at is a timeline. A timeline is a linear representation of important events in order. What do you notice about the dates on this timeline? Good. Why would a timeline be useful? What else could we represent on a timeline? Good ideas. Timelines can represent days, weeks, months, years, or any other denomination of time. Let's construct a classroom timeline of our daily events. Work in your small groups and discuss the events our timeline should include. Remember, this timeline will represent a single day's events, so we will use times of the day to label it. I heard some really good table talk. Let's use our ideas and construct our classroom timeline now. Who would like to share first? Great work. I would like you each to brainstorm 5 important events in your own life, then construct your own personal timeline by illustrating and labeling each event in chronological order. You all have worked so hard. Who would like to share their timeline with the class? Thank you for sharing. I would like you all to hang your timelines on the clip line for everyone to see. Great work. Tomorrow, we will use what we have learned about timelines to map the lives of historical figures.